So I ain't got time for the radio. I got too many guns and I like to deer hunt too much. There, Timbo?
Bucket, Dirty Bird, someone try to clean it up for the boys, there, Blake.
Yeah, you got rid of it. You got rid of that noise up in your audio, man. You're sounding good. Dirty Bird in that drop-top chicken box. T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Back down yonder, way out below, I'm down on channel 26 somewhere. I might need to go with channel 19. I might be able to talk to somebody. I threw it about it. Look at that Dirty Bird sway.
All right, 309, when I hear somebody calling Dirty Bird, so I'm going to ease wide to the side, because I think my little brother's out there trying to get his name called, so I'm going to ease out and let the little brother ease in. Audio kid standing down.
Hey, square, bye.
You're right, your kid is quiet.
He can't get it back, brother.
Big brother, I'm gonna wave. I'm gonna let Dirty Bird have some talk time. I'm standing by.
I ain't gonna give him no time. I'm gonna put this thing on him.
Hey, what's going on there, Ricochet? T-Bucket with a wave.
We were the dream team. We the Dave May dream team. Hey, Big Bubba, 2022 wave, Dirty Bird, get down. Square, I'm a slammer, says bye.
Yeah, man, we're gonna throw a wave up there. You and T-Bucket rocking the
Fucking turn.
man. Both of y'all throw the wave back, man. I'm gonna throw it right back y'all's direction. Hello to you, Phantom. Hello to you, T-Bucket, Ricochet, break.
I'm glad I made it up into your big hammer radio there, Ricochet. Happy New Year to you, Ricochet, T-Bucket. Bye.
Hey, little square, that got big ground ain't working.
He's still on the mall, T-Bucket. I'm waving.
Hey, square,
Yeah, he's long-winded, man. You got that big old bucket mouth, and I'll see ya.
Square, little square, I'm a slammer.
Hey, Phantom, take care now, man. Yeah, good to hear you in there, man. You guys are
Tell Ricochet I said wave his turn. Hey.
looking good. It's about 40 dBs, man. So we're gonna throw it right back, man, and wave a big old 2022 to you. Both of you guys. Hey, Phantom. Hey, T-Bucket. Hey, T-Bucket. Hey, Phantom. Ricochet. Big old wave.
PFO 10 Ricochet. Glad I got up in there, man. I'm trying to put a little weight on that Phantom's back these days. Getting away with his big old bucket mouth, Ricochet, T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Hey, T-Bucket, tell them all, here I come. Hey, T-Bucket, you tell them all, here I come. Hey, T-Bucket, worldwide, Dirty Bird.
Phantom, I appreciate it, man.
Tell Ricochet I said I wave his turn.
Y'all, man, the same time. That's the way it's going down my town right about now for sure, man. Y'all two guys are bringing it on in my radio right about now. Hey, T-Bucket. Hey, Phantom. Just a little flashback for you, and I'm out of here. Check it out. Listen up.
Ricochet. Glad I got up in there, man. I'm trying to put a little weight on that Phantom's back these days. Give me your T-Bucket, give y'all Ricochet. Good to hear you out here, Doug. Put that old Phantom 309 with that wave right back.
All right, that's the way it went down my town. I'm standing by. Hey, Phantom. Hey, T-Bucket. Bye.
Oh, yeah, man.
PFO 10. I'll go ahead and stand down. Let my buddy Phantom have that. Go round. Just stretching out some new gear. Ricochet, take care. And Dirty Bird, I heard you out there as well. T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Hey, T-Bucket, that was all you right there, man. That was all you, man. Phantom keyed up, then you keyed up and right behind him, man, and took over my radio, ain't no doubt. Hello to you one more time.
Good.
Well, you sounding good, looking good.
Let my buddy Phantom have that go round. Just stretching out some new gear. Ricochet, take care. And Dirty Bird, I heard you out there as well.
Hey, T-Bucket, bye.
Yeah, I had to grab another gear. To get up in there that go round. Ricochet, take care. I'm going 10-6. Get some food. I'll see ya.
See a drop.
Man, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to sit back in the crack and listen in. Good to hear you guys up that way, ain't no doubt. Hey, T-Bucket, hey, Phantom, Ricochet, back out, 2022 now, click.
Right about right now, the Dirty Bird in George is back out.
Yeah, Dirty Bird, I heard you in there as soon as Ricochet unkeyed, man, and you got a little bit of squeal in your audio again. I don't know what's going on. Dirty Bird, T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Hey, T-Bucket, I'm working this on the...
Phantom, your turn to burn. Let's go around. It was you, Phantom.
Right back to you there, Ricochet, and all my brethren down there around Georgia. Happy 22. Phantom 319 family to y'all. Hey, Ricochet, Phantom 319 back on the mall. Got down.
Back on the mall. Phantom, bad.
332 out there in Nebraska, blowing smoke.
Yeah, that was a big old squeal.
So, 495 down here a little bit below me.
Mother Nature thing, I ought to be able to get in there with Ricochet. I can't move him. Bye.
He got me at the end.
Oh, you got into that go-round. You came right across Ricochet, and I'll see ya.
You and the other one.
That Aurelia kid in the woods is gone. Quick.
Yeah, Audio Kid, you got my radio, man. You just set Ricochet down, Audio Kid, T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
He was real strong like you were now. I mean, you give me about 40 right now. He was real strong, and then he started falling out, you know. But I think I come in and got 495 to start with, and then he started falling out, and I bumped my beams, and he fell down about 9 dB. So, and then I tried to make him back. I tried to find him by bumping him again, and hell, I lost him, you know. Never did get it back above 9, but hey, that's the way it works, man. I got to take my lickings like everybody else does. Hey, Phantom, I'm right back.
I think I'm just gonna fill up on Christmas cookies, man. That's all I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'll see ya.
Yeah, man. Like I said, you and T-Bucket doing the same thing. One key, it's yours, the next is his. So I'm, same thing down my way right about now, man. Switching in the kitchen. Hey, Phantom, great job, great sound. I see you now.
Man, I'm gonna have to get some more fire from wire. I'll see ya.
Hey, Phantom, you and him, same signal, man. Same signal, bouncing around the 40 dB mark. Hey, Phantom. Hey, T-Bucket, I see you now.
Up there, don't let it come down.
Neck and neck. That's how I like to keep it, neck and neck.
Neck and neck, ain't no doubt. Ain't no doubt, man. But hey, y'all on in my radio now. I don't hear nobody with either one of y'all keys now. Click.
Oh, man. We got targets on our backs now. Some of them big boys are gonna fire down and make us seem non-existent.
I don't know, T-Bucket. They're going to have to bring it now. They're going to have to bring it to get you out of my radio because you slowly crawling on up on this meter. I see you now.
Oh, I'm just slowly turning it up. I'm trying to figure out exactly how much it takes to barely come out on top, and I'll see ya.
I think it was right about there, man. It was right about there. It wasn't that key, but the key before Phantom was in there, and you keyed up a little bit over top. But, the next key, he liked to come back, you know.
Sometimes it just takes Mother Nature.
There today, T-Bucket, I see you now. Click.
Yeah, 410. Sometimes it is just Mother Nature, Audio Kid. Man, Audio Kid, you came in there and just cleaned it up. T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
That's right. We're about 25 miles apart, man. No, Audio Kid about 25 miles apart, man. So there's a little bit of switching in the kitchen. T-Bucket, click.
Yeah, 410 Ricochet. That's the way it is over here, too. I got Phantom 20 miles one way, Slingshot 20 miles away, man. I just got to fight for my little position.
Hey, well, you're doing a great job at it right about now. Hey, T-Bucket, I see you.
Bye.
Hey, Maybe I got this dumb bucket squeal about this ordeal. I hope I got this dumb bucket vulture problem fixed. Hey, T-Buggy, Dirty Bird, backwoods, I'm back out.
Yeah, I hear you up in there, Dirty Bird, but that squeal's still in there with you, man. It almost sounds like a dead battery and a power mic. I don't know, man. You got a bad squeal in there with you, Dirty Bird. I'll see ya.
Hello, 309. Hey, 309, I'm going to wave my hand back up your way, too, man. I can't stay in place. Lord knows I got some work to do, but I will wave my hand. Hey, 309, Dirty Bird, back out.
Play golf every day. There ain't no snow down this way there. Y'all come on down. Bring your money down this way, and then you can go home.
Right back to you, big brother, man. You stuck in that. Thanks out of a few audio problems. While I'm out here doing a few little things, trying to get things right, no doubt. Hey, 309, man, have yourself a big old
Yes, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, X-Y-Z in the woods, back out.
small hammer in Georgia, back out.
Wow, man, Georgia trying, baby.
All right, Phantom, well, they don't know it, but I'm in my pickup truck.
Hey, Phantom, is Dirty Bird still buzzing?
But I'm in my truck.
Once again,
309, I'm talking out of my pickup truck.
back out.
Be banking left, Ricochet.
I'm not going to mess with him if he comes back and said, yeah. Hey, how about it out there one time? Hey, can you hear a squeal in my radio?
Might be banking to the left.
Get him, kid.
You're a bad man. Show now, let your people go. Happy 2022 coming up.
Ow.
Down. Happy 22 on that end also. Phantom 309, if you still got a copy of your XYZ in the backwoods of Georgia, say I thank you. I'm back quiet. Sorry, gentlemen. I'm sorry for it. You're taking each other out. You're right on, and I thank you. I'll see you.
You forgot to say poof.
Turn over.
309, you're the two, so keep up the good work.
You know who he is, the kid, the bird in the woods. I'll see you.
Happy New Year down there, neighbor. Kid, reading them out.
Right back at you, kid. Big old New Year time to you.
Hello, Johnny 5, here I come. Hello, Johnny 5, here I come. Hello, Johnny 5, Dirty. Oh, Johnny 5, Dirty Bird in the woods, come on.
Hey, 47, I have a 2022
New Year time to you. 47, Ricochet, Georgia. Right back.
Hard punch in 840 Birmingham.
Happy New Year right back to you, Johnny 5. Hey, Johnny 5, you made it, man. You made it.
Hey, Bubba and the Buckeye. Good to hear you down here in Georgia. Happy 2022 right back to you, big brother. Bubba and the Buckeye. Kid, reading them out.
Hey, Johnny 5, Dirty Bird putting his style.
Big Bubba.
See you, ba-ba-ba.
Look at 88. 88. Hey, big Bubba. I got down around the Appalachian.
All right, 47, 847, you still got good grip on my lip. Now it's rough and tough in Georgia. 47, Ricochet, big old day.
Hey, Johnny 5, that's my Johnny 5 on. And like you in Detroit? I'm 55 miles southwest of the Bright Light ATL. Hey, Johnny 5, that's my pickup truck in Georgia. I'll see you.
I heard 44 waving, then somebody said they waving in the Great Lakes, man, but I didn't get to 28. I'm throwing a big old 22 right back. Come on.
Hello there, Red Fox. Happy New Year.
He's scared to keep it, Mike.
Hello, you later, man. Y'all take it easy up in Detroit. I'm on 10 of my children. Mama's gone. Mama had to go buy groceries. So I'm going to get it here.
He's scared to keep it, Mike. Just tell him I said.
Hey, Phantom, I'm trying to throw it right back. Now, I think Audio Kid keyed in there with me. Tell Audio Kid to behave himself now. Hey, Phantom, break.
10-4 Spanker, just wanted to check on you. Heard you had a hurt Mac the other night. Just checking on you. Hope you have a happy New Year.
Yes, coming out of the Red Fox Best 22.
I'm being good, ain't you?
10-4, Mr. Spanky. Yes,
I thought I heard him key before me now. I can't put that on him then, man. I thought he was in there with me, man, but he probably put a knot on my head. Hey, Phantom, my buddy, he's on now. Bye-bye.
Spanker with the New Year's Day wave. Got down.
Just me and my magic show. Now you're in them. Now you don't.
Man, he working that location over. He tells everybody he ain't got no location, Phantom, but you know what it is now. He's got the best location around there. Come out.
No, there ain't nothing slow about this pickup.
It's all about that location.
Bird in the back voice, I got down.
Bye, Phantom. Bye.
This squirrel on the ground playing Audio Kid.
I'm gonna way back, man, but them old big old boys is way ahead of you right about now. Squirt on your ground plane, Ricochet, waving.
How about this? Oh no, here comes that little squirt. That party boy. Stump Daddy. Tell him T-Bucket says hello and I'll see ya.
Hi, Squirt. T-Bucket keyed up, said to tell you howdy, man. T-Bucket keyed up, said to tell you howdy, man. I didn't get you till you got up off of that thing. Hey, Squirt, I got you 9 dBs. I got T-Bucket about 30, 35. Hello to you, Squirt. 2022 wave to you now.
Yeah, I'm just taking advantage of the fact that he's stuck on that ground plane. And once he gets it all straightened out, I'll be gone and I'll see ya.
Hey, little Squirt, T-Bucket said he's taking advantage of that situation you got going on while you're on that ground plane. He's taking a little advantage of it. Hey, Squirt, he's got to get it while he can. Now, big old wave to you there. Bye-bye.
Thanks for rolling that 5 there, Ricochet. Keeping it real, I'll see ya.
You welcome, T-Bucket. You welcome, man. Yeah, I ain't got his number. I ain't got his phone number, man. I sure don't, man. I do not have his phone number. Hey, Squirt, I'm standing by.
Hey, tell him to shoot me 1, 2. Hey, tell him to shoot me.
Get any snow or bad weather up there, little Squirt?
Hello, little Squirt, Dirty Bird in the weight room. Hello, little Squirt, Dirty Bird in Georgia's in the weight room break.
Hey, Squirt, I'll do that, man. I ain't checked it much today, but I'm going to tell him I'm going to do that right about now. I appreciate it.
Right here. Dirty Bird, back out.
Hey, Squirt, you're doing a lot of local talking in Georgia. Bye.
There's somebody out there calling Audio Kid with a little Squirt had that thing on him. I'm gonna wave and get out of the road. Audio Kid with a wave is reading them out.
Dirty Bird. Dirty Bird on standby. Dirty Bird on standby.
Why are you on standby, Dirty Bird?
I'm working out this double this school. Hey, T-Bucket, I just hooked up another battery in this damn truck.
Oh, that was 888. Well, 888, them boys are way ahead of you, man. I got
Yeah, that squeals. He keeps coming and going and getting up in your audio, man. I don't know. I'm telling you, it sounds like a battery and a power mic. I'll see ya.
I'm gonna wave my hand because I heard you in my radio. Audio kid reading them out.
Damn power light. No, power.
Hey, little squirt, if you can pass him back a 5, tell him I do not have a voicemail. I do not have a missed call from him, man. I do not have his phone number there, break.
Pretty bird, I'm playing back.
Yeah, maybe it's some RF getting in something. I don't know what it is, man. I just know what it sounds like. But man, you get it squared away, Dirty Bird, T-Bucket. I'll see ya.
And Florida calling you, bye.
Who you calling Dirty Bird? Who's that calling Dirty Bird? Who's that calling Dirty Bird?
All right, man. All right, Squirt, I appreciate it now. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I wish I could get up my phone number to him, man, but I don't know how to get it down there to him, ain't no doubt, other than just blabbing it out over the air there, come on.
Calling you, bye.
Here's Dr. Spanker at the break.
You're way down south Georgia there, kid, but hey, Squirt, tell him that a Buffalo Soldier's got my number, man. A Buffalo Soldier had lost it. Tell him to contact Buffalo Soldier and get my number. Hey, Squirt, bye.
South Georgia.
It don't matter to me, Phantom. It don't matter to me, man. If you want to do that, I don't care.
Well, I mean, you wonder.
842, I see it, Make Nancy on the sandbar.
I don't know if somebody's got his number down there to be able to, text it to him or whatever, because I don't have his number.
See on my sandbar, looking, bye.
Maybe check the bathroom wall.
If anybody out there got Dr. Spanker's number and got my phone number, shoot it to me there, ain't no doubt.
Happy New Year, Red Bay, Mr. 44 with your good sign itself. Old Make Nancy in Florida with the New Year waves is back quiet. And I keep my mom to let you know I got it all. I keep my mom to let you know I got it all on Nasty in Florida by reading his mail.
What's going on, McNasty in Florida? T-Bucket with a wave.
Hey, T-Bucket, ain't nothing going on, man. I just got through eating a belly full of black-eyed peas and rice and ham hocks. And me some oxtails on that end, man. Get it back, let us know what's going on around your way, baby.
Man, I would love some black-eyed peas and ham hocks. Sounds like you've got your evening made. Happy New Year, McNasty, T-Bucket. I'll see ya.
Tell all you on that T-Bucket. Happy New Year to you and the fine family. And I'll see you coming back there with no doubt about it. Old McNasty downtown, beautiful Tallahassee, Florida, reading this mail.
All right, McNasty, right back your way, man. Take care, you and your fine family, till we do it again. Bye.
Bye. On 12 gauge in Tallahassee, Florida. Got down right there.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you as well. 12 gauge, sounding great up here in the Great Lakes. 12 gauge, T-Bucket. I'll see ya.
Yeah, bye. Happy New Year around the band. We just want to bump this thing down, so Happy New Year around the band. On 12 gauge in Tallahassee, Florida. Getting on down to you.
Alright, toodaloo there, 12 gauge, T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Hey, Bubba, he ain't got no ears on that thing, man. He ain't got nothing but teeth. Hey, Big Bubba, he ain't got no ears. He ain't got nothing but teeth. Bye.
Cheese in his ears.
Hey, Bubba, hey, Big Bubba, you know who it is, man. Ain't nobody but Dirty Bird. Hey, Big Bubba, put it on you later, man. Me and this old Dirty Bird hammer in Georgia. Bye.
Snake waving a hand at you up there out of Georgia.
Bye, Big Bubba. You got it going on, man. Sounding good, looking good. Y'all keep up the good work, man. Enjoy your 2022. Oh, Dirty Bird out here cruising.
Yeah, Dirty Bird, now you're windshield wipering. You got no carrier, you just windshield wipering. Dirty Bird, T-Bucket, I'll see ya.
That's all I like to do is swing on them. Hey, T-Bucket, ask all my homeboys. They'll tell you I love to swing on them. I swing on something quick. I'm back out.
Yeah, you're swinging on them. I ain't never seen nothing like it, man. You're going from 0 to 30, 0 to 30. I love it. I love it. Dirty Bird, I'll see ya.
Look, that's what they call a good swing.
What are you going to right now? Tell me nasty what Dirty Bird going to right there. I want to know what Dirty Bird going to right there, mate.
Yeah, McNasty, when you keyed up, you took Dirty Bird out of my radio. McNasty, you did what you said you did. McNasty, T-Bucket, I'll see ya.
Hey, T-Bucket, telling him we took the picking on that play out there, jumping out on him.
Every now and then. Old McNasty in Florida, I'll see ya.
Yeah, that was a regular old McNasty Audio Kid mashup right there. I couldn't tell what either one of you was saying. I'll see ya.
Tell him audio, hey, T-Bucket, Audio Kid, go!
Yeah, that was all you, Audio Kid. I'm not even sure he keyed.
Just past that 5, tell him if he picks on Dirty Bird, I'm going to squash him like a duck. Bye, bye, bye.
All right, Audio Kid, if they pick on Dirty Bird, you're just going to squash him right out the radio. I'll pass that along. Audio Kid, I'll see ya.
Tell all of your kids to say Happy New Year. Key down now, old McNasty, I'll see ya.
I'll let him know there, McNasty. You said Happy New Year? You said Happy New Year, and I'm passing it along. I'll see ya.
Happy 2022. Back to him. Hey, T-Bucket, I'll wait. I'm gone.
Yeah, McNasty, he's Audio Kid sending it right back your way, and I'll see ya.
I appreciate it. I'm gone.
Bye, bye, bye.
Old Snake down here in Georgia waving at you.
What's wrong with you? You see, I'm doing what to him. What that break? I live at you later on.
Put them buttons on your snake.
I'm just trying to get my name called, man. It's the first day of the year. I'm just trying to get my name called and let them know I'm still out here every email clear that break. Why would you idea if I try to get your name called?
I think Mother Mace's about to drop out. She was in there good. I think she's about to drop out.
Big John Stewart to set on somewhere. You tell Big John Stewart to set on somewhere.
Final down to about, he was past 9 names. About 8 dBs, so it's trying to fall out. I found him, you all up into that time, 9 dB strong. And this striker don't go past 9. It just will not go past 9 unless it's real good conditions. And then it just barely goes past the 9 mark. Hey, Phantom, your Audio Kids, bye, bye, bye.
Man, you're going to make his head all kinds of big there, Audio Kid. T-Bucket, I'll see ya.
22 wave in the right.
Hey, T-Bucket, everybody gets a green light from time to time. Hey, T-Bucket, everybody gets a...
Yeah, man, it's holding up right there. It's jumping back in my radio. Y'all get any bad weather up there yet, or is it coming y'all's way?
What is it? The sun shines on a dog's ass, something or another?
Yeah, that's the saying.
Hey, fam, I got hold of that copy over here
I got about 15 on it. Yeah, those snake, I'm about 20 miles down there south of all the old kid, but yeah, this thing he don't read tight like his. Yeah, that's right. I'm having to climb over a big old mountain to get up that way there, but yeah, you broadcasting down here in the backwoods of Georgia.
Hey, Phantom.
Hey, I appreciate it, Phantom. Yeah, we talked a couple of times back a long time ago when those kids rolling. I'm one of them, blind squirrel finds a nut every now and then.
Yep, a blind squirrel can find a nut every once.
I like that one about the blind squirrel.
That's all we work in those blind squirrel type equipment over here. Just got to make it another nature to be just right.
The info, I appreciate this. Old Ricochet comes in here and helps me set up because he'll say, oh, no, you got it all wrong. You got to do this and do that. So I sit back and listen.
Hammer gone.
Hammer. T-Bucket with the wave.
T-info. All right, bud. Well, appreciate you coming back. I'm out of here. I ain't too strong. I can't stay long. Phantom, I'm gone.
Hello, T-Bucket, Nature Boy.
What's going on today, Nature Boy? Happy New Year's, Mr. Nature Boy.
Right here, I just want to say Happy New Year to you and the fine family. T-Bucket, Nature Boy, holiday wave is gone.
All right, Nature Boy, glad I got to put it on you, man. Enjoy this new year the best you can, Mr. Nature Boy, T-Bucket, and I'll see ya.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
You on the ground plane, Snake, or you on that beam?
I'm flat side.
I just flipped over to my ground plane.
What do you think audio Phantom got over you?
On the ground plane.
Damn audio, you may have to send me a text.
Alright, fellas, I'm going in for tonight. Y'all take it easy, take care. Appreciate all the DX. Y'all know who it is down here in Georgia, working this great big old hammer. Worldwide Dirty Bird. I'll see ya.
All right, Dirty Bird, you have yourself a good night, man. Hope you get that squeal fixed up. Dirty Bird, good night. I'll see ya.
Then
Check on my kids, man. Take it easy, take care. I'll be working on it throughout the week. T-Bucket, Dirty Bird, great big mobile. I'm go.
All right, Dirty Bird, take care until we do it again. Hopefully real soon, Dirty Bird, T-Bucket. Bye, bye, bye.
I'm 309, Mr. Nature Boy, Columbus, Georgia, holiday wave. Hey, Nature Boy, Columbus, Georgia, holiday wave right back to you, sir. You're sounding bodacious up here in this midden. Sure, right here, 309. All right, well, you sound real good coming down this way, no doubt about it. Keep on with it, keep it on till we get a chance to do it again. Once again, Happy New Year to you and the fine family. Phantom 309, Mr. Nature Boy, I'm gone now. All right, there, Nature Boy.
I found him telling me he did a whoo like Ric Flair. Is he like Ric Flair, Nature Boy, everybody? Right here. Y'all take them easy, take care on the cold Great Lakes. Kid in the backwoods of Georgia. Toodaloo. Bye-bye-bye. Stand right here. Still got a room full of you. I'm reading the mail. Yeah, that's all I got. It's a little 3,000.
All I got is a handful of transistors myself.
That's all I got. 4 transistors.
10 for well, those 500Zs got a bunch of audio, I can guarantee you that. But I got a handful of transistors, that's what I'm working with now. 410. Sitting right here, fam. Alright, I'm gonna sit back and ease the mail, man. Read the mail. Tell the audio kid I said Happy New Year too, man. Phantom on Nature Boy back out.